Remstar has one of the largest selections of horizontal carousel models to meet your business requirements. From split case order picking to case buffering to mixed pallet handling, Remstar can design, integrate, and implement your next successful project. For traditional split case handling, order picking is done by creating an integrated system, incorporating horizontal carousels, pick-to-light, and inventory management software. These systems can enhance your non-automated systems by as much as 600%, while saving up to 50% of the floor space. By using different horizontal carousel models, configurations, and software, Remstar can create a system to meet your application. Some typical systems include the Universal Workstation that integrates the best automated and manual technology into one high throughput and density workstation. A Universal Workstation can include a cluster of horizontal carousels, a shuttle VLM, a pick-to-light flow rack, and a put-to-light order consolidation station, all integrated with advanced inventory management software and pick lights. The SKU's profile and velocity determines on what piece of equipment it is picked from. An operator simply downloads a batch of orders and proceeds to pick in a round-robin fashion till complete. Another application is batch picking orders for distribution and order fulfillment. This system consists of multiple carousels working together in a cluster, pick light towers, and a put-to-light order consolidation station, all integrated and directed by inventory management software. By batch picking and using multiple carousels and pick lights, the operator completes multiple orders simultaneously and has the next carousel pre-positioned and ready for the next pick. The put-to-light consolidation station tells the operator where to place each SKU and the quantity. Custom pallet or mixed pallet building is another application, which uses the horizontal carousel technology, but scaled up to hold pallets. This system works very much like the distribution and order fulfillment system. The operator picks from a cluster of pallet carousels using pick light towers to direct them. The operator then puts the cases on a waiting pallet. Depending on throughput requirements, this can be a pallet jack, forklift, or a put-to-light directed pallet carousel. Virtually any service counter, whether in a stock room, service area, parts departments, or area that needs the operator to be near the desk to help customers and has low ceilings or requires many items per order. This system is comprised of a cluster of carousels and pick light towers, directed by inventory management software. When a customer comes to the counter, the parts needed are simply entered into the PC. The software can be configured to allow customers to order one part number, yet the software automatically directs the operator to pick all the SKUs needed to make up that one part, or sometimes called a kit. Another application is in manufacturing assembly, called Work in Progress. This system often consists of one slowly rotating horizontal carousel servicing multiple workstations. Items or kits being passed from one station to the next for assembly, tooling, fixtures, and parts can also be distributed from one workstation to the next, quickly, efficiently, allowing the operators to remain highly productive.